Hi, this is my jacket. It's cute. It's also completely unwearable because the charms are falling off like my standards in a situationship. So today we're fixing it just like I'm fixing my taste in men. As you can tell, there's absolutely no way that this piece could hold up to my badass dance moves, and something must be done about this. Here's everything I've gathered for this mission: ribbons, patches, glue, emotional resilience, and an overwhelming desire to not have my wardrobe mirror my dating history. Step 1. We cut off what's not serving us. Much like a man who only texts "What's up?" at 2 a.m., these charms looked nice at first, but ultimately added nothing of value. While we cut these off, let's take a moment to appreciate that at some point, someone designed this jacket and thought, you know what this needs? Tiny breakable charms attached by a single thread of hope. Now, I could have just slapped on some patches and called it a day, but I wanted depth, layers, personality, because if my jacket can have those things, maybe someday, so can my future relationships. At this point, I'm just adding color and texture. Could I explain the thought process behind my choices? Probably, but in reality, I'm just layering paint like it's emotional baggage, just slapping more on and hoping it works out. For the back, I wanted something bold, powerful, a statement piece, so obviously I chose a tiger. Majestic, fierce, does not tolerate nonsense, my spirit animal. Now, I could have used hot glue, but I figured stitching this down would be a radical act of commitment, something I personally am still working on. Now that the foundation is solid, we bring in the fun details, aka the rebound era. We're throwing on trim, patches, things that make me happy, because if I can't stitch my life together, I can at least stitch together this jacket. Or glue. I guess I'm gluing it together. And you know what? That's okay. Don't ask me to explain this, but hot glue is the chaotic neutral of crafting supplies. Sometimes it holds things together forever, and sometimes it betrays you when you least expect it. Much like, well, you get it. Time for some final touches. These words are like affirmations, except instead of saying them in the mirror, I'll just wear them and hope people get the message. Never forever. I do what I like, and follow your dreams, which in this case means following my dream of finishing this project before I lose all motivation. I also plan on using this jacket in a music video that should be coming out hopefully next week with my new song, I Do What I Like, which should be out on February 21st. Pre-save the link in my description. Quick intermission, because much like this jacket, I too need maintenance. Behold, the single greatest source of energy known to mankind, pizza rolls. All right, the jacket is done, and I am thriving. It's wearable, it's extra, it's a reflection of everything that I've been working toward, taking what was broken and making it into something that actually works. This jacket is now me in clothing form, unbothered, improved, and covered in just the right amount of glitter. Moral of the story, if something isn't working, fix it, upcycle it, or let it go, because we do not settle for unwearable jackets or mediocre love stories, not in this era. If you like watching me have a mild identity crisis through fashion, feel free to stick around. I have more projects coming and probably more things to emotionally upcycle. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you feel like it. Okay, bye.